What's up, everybody? In this video I'm going to show you guys how to resurface a block or a concrete wall. So this one's actually an old stone foundation, and the parge or the stucco, whatever you want to call it, is failing. So we are putting new on there. The first thing you want to do is get rid of any humps or dips that are really bad or anything that's crumbling. So this is all really solid now. There's like holes in it, but you can't do much about it. But I just take a cup grinder like this, and I get all the old failing debris off of the wall. And then right before you start, like Logan's over there, he's using the hose. He's washing away all the dust, all the extra debris and everything, just so it has like a nice thing to stick the resurfacer to. Got that. I'll show you what we're using for the materials and the tools and all that. This is the material we're using: surface bonding cement with quickcrete, quick wall. Definitely read the instructions on the back as well for mixing and all that stuff. Some things you're gonna have to look out for when you're using this stuff. One, if it's really hot, it dries out really fast. Don't mix it too wet because it'll fall off the wall. Too stiff, it won't spread out. You gotta have it like right in the middle. I'll show you the consistency here in a minute once we get started on the wall on the other side of the house. I'll show you the tools we use. So we got couple different sizes of these finish trowel, and a block trowel. So we'll put it on the other side, but those are pretty much the only tools you need after you get it mixed up. For the first coat, the end product should look like this. Smooth as you can get it. And we're going to be back tomorrow to put a finish coat on it. So I always do 2 coats of this resurfacer. So the process for the first coat is pretty simple. Just take this trowel. This is a little stiff, right? But that's okay, because if you look over here, you got big stuff like this, right? We got to fill that in. So the goal is to kind of make it as flat as possible. So we're making this thick, like this whole wall is like this. See how it steps? But over there it looks real smooth. So we had to make it real thick here, and if it was so wet, it wouldn't work. So I'll do that, and that way it sticks on there. The pretty normal way to do it though is how Quincy's doing it here. This is the smooth wall. Just kind of smooth it on there, right? Go. Smooth, smooth, smooth. And you want it as smooth as possible for the first coat. Keep doing that. Keep putting on mud, smoothing it out, and it should look like that right there. And yeah, so just you want to make it like anywhere there's weird dips or anything like that. This first coat is just to kind of get all the humps and all the everything out the best you can, make it as smooth as possible. That way tomorrow when we come back after this is dry, we can make it even smoother and put our brush in it and make it look nice and clean. Okay, so we came back today and this is all hard now. So hard, and at this point this stuff, when it's dry, really soaks up water. So if you put the resurfacer right on the wall, it'll suck all the moisture out and it'll get clumpy and hard. You won't be able to smooth it out. You won't be able to brush it nice. So what I do is I take a hose and I spray the whole wall. I have like the absolute perfect conditions to do this stuff in. It's cloudy, it's like 60 degrees, so it doesn't blow up, and you have plenty of time to smooth it out, put a brush on it. But if it's hot out, if it's really sunny, you're gonna want to wet it every couple minutes probably before you put more on, and go from there. So same technique as yesterday. Put it on the trowel, smooth it on. Little tip: get these little trowels if you can't get the big trowels in there. Also, it makes it way easier to smooth out when it gets hard because there's less like area of a trowel, and you can like really make it as smooth as possible before you start brushing. Okay, once you get it kind of smoothed on there, you're gonna take a brush. You can use whatever size you want. I just like the little one for short areas like this. You pretty much just paint lines into it. Like that. Paint it off. You gotta use this brush to kind of blend any humps or anything together like I just did there. But brush it smooth. Okay, I'm gonna have to probably go get my concrete retarder and show you what to do if it's really hot out, how to blend this all together. So we'll do that next. All right, so this part here got really dry. Did this on purpose just to show you guys. Got my resurface or my concrete retarder here. Same stuff you spray on concrete. Wet it down with that. Take your little trowel, and it comes right back to life. So then make sure you brush it pretty quickly after that then. You don't want your brush too wet. Get that water out of there. Put your lines in it. And that's pretty much all you need to know about resurfacing a block or concrete wall. There's really not much to it. So, all right, hope that helps, and thanks for watching.